looks like the Cybertruck has a new update, 2025.26.4. So we'll look at the release notes. What do we got here? So minor fixes. Ooh, we're gonna get Grok beta. So as you can see here, okay. What else? You can long press it, or you can do it from the little app, and you need premium connectivity or Wi-Fi to use it. Okay, there's also light sync, so the light will react to your music. Dashcam update. Okay, now lets you adjust playback speed for more flexible viewing. New grid view makes it easier to access and rear view recordings, or review recordings. Cool. Then site info at arrival. Okay, so I'll give more information. Audio settings update. Personalized equalizer settings. Okay. What else? Security improvements, and I think that's it. Supercharging live activity. Okay. Interesting. And more security improvements. Alright, that's it. So let's go ahead and run the update, and then I'll see you guys later. This will be on another video. We'll start the update now. Bye. Forgot to show it's doing the updates here, as you can see. Alright, I'll see you guys later in another video when it's done. Alright, the update's complete, and yeah, it's just showing all this same stuff. So that's pretty much it. You guys will get to see other things. Actually, let's see what Grok does. What's the weather today? Is it gonna work? No? I forgot, this is a Cybertruck. You gotta use this button, not this button. What's the weather today? You see this? Aura, assistant, sign in. What is all this? Hello?
Sunny skies now, but expect showers and thunderstorms later tonight to cool things down. Looks like you said something about Aura, assistant, sign in. Not sure what you mean by that. Maybe
Grok, lazy mail, Gork. Okay, let's see. What's the weather? Oh. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Okay, there's that.
The weather's clear tonight, around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, with a light breeze. Tomorrow's...
How are you doing?
I'm doing quite well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
A little English. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
How are you doing?
Just chilling. Same as always.
Okay, that sounds like a normal person. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
How are you doing?
Doing great.
Which voice should I use? This one sounds more robotic. Why do you sound so robotic, Rex?
I'm not Rex. I'm just here to help. My voice might sound robotic sometimes to keep things clear and zippy. You want me to dial up the human vibes, or you got a specific question I can dive into?
Yeah, can you dial up the human vibes? I want to see what that sounds like.
You got it. Hey, how's it going? What's on your mind? Want to talk about something fun, or maybe solve a problem together?
Has like a little, what do you call? What do you call?
You mean like a glitch or a hiccup?
Sure.
Nah, I'm just trying to keep up with the fun vibes you asked for.
Okay, let's hear the other voice again.
Thinking? Got a name for this vibe, or something else you want to chat about?
Hello? Hello? How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing splendidly, thank you for asking. How about yourself? How's your day going so far?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
How are you doing?
Chilling. You know me.
Okay, like this one, Sal and maybe Ara sound the most, what do you call? Natural. I mean, Eve is also natural, but it has an accent. So, yeah, there you go. Those are the different ones. What's this assistant thing? Assistant, language tutor, therapist. Oh, they can teach you languages too. Therapist, they can be your therapist. They can tell you stories. They can do kids stories, kids trivia games, meditation, doctor, conspiracy. They can tell you some conspiracies. What is this? Okay, the microphone, you can turn it off. What's this? You can enable not safe for work mode, and you can enable kids mode. So that's interesting. All right, you can make it say stuff that's, yeah, more not appropriate for everybody, and then you can do more kids. Interesting. Sign in. What is this? Oh, okay, so I have to sign in from the app. Okay, so there's Grok. I think that's the main thing. I don't know if you guys want to see other stuff, let me know. But that's it for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. I forgot to show. They have the light sync here. The problem is I don't have any, non-copyright music to show. But you can turn this on. You can go to, what is Rave Cave Max? How do I turn this? Oh, I have to, wait, I am parked. Is it because the battery's too low right now? I'm gonna wait to charge. So sync accent, oh, you have to turn this on first. Sync accent lights with the music. Then you can go to Rave Cave mode so you can see it's brighter. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely much brighter. Okay, and then you can do match with album cover art. What's playing right now? So I can't really play stuff because then it's gonna copyright me. But let's see. Okay, you can see how the lights change. Oop, don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna copyright me. Stop. Let me turn the music really like down and see if it will still do it. Oh, the music has to actually be... Okay, I turned it low enough that you can see the lights flickering, but you can't really hear the music. Alright, that works. That's cool. Turn off the match album cover art and it'll just use the light that you set up. Pretty cool. Okay, and without the Rave Cave mode. Alright, so there you go. That's the other feature they added. Okay, and if you want to see more of the Grok stuff, tell me a joke.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts.
You already told me that one.
Oh, so you've heard that one before. Anyway, here's another. Why don't some ghosts haunt houses? They're too shy to spook.
Huh.
Want one more?
Yes, that one wasn't very funny.
Fair enough. How about this? Why did the tomato blush? Because it saw the salad dressing. Want another go?
Sure. Oh, I wonder if it's getting stuck because my Wi-Fi is slow right now. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, tell me another joke. She was gonna say it's possible that's the reason. See, connection occurred. Oops, sorry. Alright, tell me another joke. Oh, the connection's having problems right now. Insufficient charge for my Sentry mode. I'm waiting till 11 because then the charge rate is much lower. So, oh, let me see, does it show here? So right now it's 45 cents a kilowatt hour. If I wait till 11, it's 28 cents a kilowatt hour. I need to actually log work, so I'm gonna do that. I'll stop messing around with the car right now, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.